My best friend. My name is Mia, and I want to tell you about my best friend. Her name is Lisa. She is my best friend, and we are very close. I will share our story. We met in school when we were both in kindergarten. Lisa sat next to me. We played with blocks and toys. From that day, we became friends. Now we are both 35 years old. Lisa is very special to me. She has short black hair and brown eyes. She is tall and always wears colorful clothes. She loves bright colors. Her favorite color is yellow. When she wears yellow, she shines like the sun. Lisa is funny. She makes me laugh all the time. When I feel sad, she knows how to make me smile. One time, I was upset about a test. Lisa told funny jokes and I laughed so much. We have many hobbies we both like. We like to draw. Every Saturday, we sit together and draw pictures. Sometimes we draw flowers, animals, and our dreams. I like to use many colors. Lisa loves to draw animals. She is very good at it. In addition to drawing, we like to read. We go to the library every month and choose books about adventure and friendship. We read together and discuss our favorite parts. I love reading with Lisa. We also enjoy cooking. We often cook on weekends. Lisa likes to make pasta, and I like to bake cookies. One time, we made a big chocolate cake. It was delicious, and we shared it with our families. Our friendship is strong. We always support each other. When Lisa has problems, I listen to her. She tells me her worries, and I give her advice. She feels better. One day, Lisa felt sad because she lost her favorite necklace. It was a gift from her grandmother. I helped her look for it. We searched everywhere in her house. Finally, we found it under the couch. Lisa was so happy and hugged me tightly. We have many fun times together. Every summer, we go to the beach. We swim in the ocean and build sandcastles. We collect seashells and take pictures. One year, we even found a big starfish at the beach. We play games like frisbee and beach volleyball. Lisa is very fast and always wins at frisbee. I try my best, but she is too good. In winter, we love to go ice skating. There is an ice rink in our town. We skate together and laugh. Sometimes we fall, but we help each other up. It is so much fun. We also celebrate our birthdays together. Our birthdays are close. Lisa's birthday is in April, and mine is in May. We have a big party every year. We invite our friends and play games. This year, I surprised Lisa with a party. I invited all our friends and decorated with balloons and streamers. When Lisa arrived, she was so surprised. She hugged me and said thank you. It was a great day. Lisa has a dog named Buddy. Buddy is a small and fluffy dog. He has white fur and big brown eyes. I love playing with Buddy. He is very friendly. We take him for walks in the park. Lisa and I often walk Buddy together. We go to the park and play fetch with him. Buddy runs fast and brings the ball back. It makes us laugh. We also like to watch movies. Every Friday night, we have a movie night. We make popcorn and choose a film to watch. Our favorite movies are comedies. We laugh so much. Lisa is always there for me. When I have a bad day, she listens, gives me advice, and makes me feel better. I can talk to her about anything. I remember when I was nervous about a job interview. I told Lisa, and she helped me prepare. She asked me questions and helped me practice. I felt more confident because of her support. Our friendship is special. We share our dreams and goals. Lisa wants to be a veterinarian because she loves animals. I want to be a teacher. We encourage each other to reach our dreams. Sometimes we have silly competitions. We challenge each other to see who can make the best drawing. We laugh and cheer for each other. Even when I lose, I still have fun. Lisa is not just my best friend. She is my family. We understand each other and care for each other. I am so lucky to have her in my life. At the end of the day, I feel grateful for Lisa. Our friendship is full of love and joy. I hope we stay friends forever. Together we can face anything. Lisa is my best friend, and I love her very much.